I've been coming to IDEAcon. This is roughly my, I think, 17th year. Some of the benefits of attending this conference are, just the networking with a lot of great other educators, learning about what's new in the educational realm.
You're going to learn a ton. You're going to meet a lot of educators that are looking for the same thing and are wanting to learn the same thing. And you're going to hear from some of the best speakers that we see all the time as we go around to different conferences. So it's an amazing event.
Now moving to Illinois Digital Educators Alliance, we're really just focusing on good educational practices. We're excited about that and just the energy. A lot of people have been saying that, just the energy and the vibe of the experience, as well as the students. We've had student performers every day in the beginning. We've had students in our exhibit hall right now. So a lot of the other opportunities that we've offered for our attendees have just been really exciting and innovating.
It's not just a tech conference for techies, it's a conference really for everyone.
I come to a lot of ed tech conferences because I love the fellowship and networking. When you see the next generation doing better than you and coming up with ideas that you didn't think of, that's really inspiring.